So next question is integral of 1 by 9x square plus 6x plus 5. Right. So here also the numerator is a constant, the denominator is a quadratic equation. So what we need to do is we need to follow the completing the square method. So for completing the square method, you first need to make the coefficient of x square as 1. So this is going to be integral of dx the whole divided by, if I take 9 outside, it is going to be x square plus 6 by 9 times x plus 5. Right. So this will be equal to 1 by 9 into integral of dx divided by, it is going to be x plus 6 by 9 means make it half of it. So x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 5, I will write it as it is, minus the square of this value, minus 1 by 9. So it is 5 by 9 here. So you'll have 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9, which is going to be 4 by 9 itself. So 1 by 9 into integral of dx the whole divided by, it is going to be x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 4 by 9, I can write it as 2 by 3 the whole square. So I'll write it as 2 by 3 the whole square. So this will be equal to 1 by 9 into 1 by x square plus a square is 1 by a. So 1 by a is how much? 1 by a is 2 by 3 tan inverse of x by a. So it is going to be x plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 by 3 plus c. This 3 will cancel this 9 3 times. So what are you going to get? You will get 1 by 6 times tan inverse of 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. So the 12th question is integral of dx divided by 1 by root of 7 minus 6x minus x square. So here also we are going to follow the completing the square method. So integral of dx divided by square root of minus of x square plus 6x minus 7. Am I right? So this is equal to integral of dx divided by square root of negative of, it will be x plus 3 the whole square, right? Minus 7 is already there, minus you need to subtract 9. Right. So this will be integral of dx divided by root of negative of x plus 3 the whole square minus 16. Okay. So take the minus inside. This will become integral of dx divided by square root of 16 minus of x plus 3 the whole square, which is of the form 1 by root of a square minus x square, and the formula for 1 by root of a square minus x square is sine inverse of x by a. So answer should be sine inverse of, in the place of x you have x plus 3 divided by, in the place of a you have 4 plus c. So for this one, first what you need to do is multiply both the factors, get the quadratic equation, then follow the completing the square method and then solve it. So the question is integral of 1 by root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. This is equal to integral of dx divided by root of x square minus 3x plus 2. Right. So this will be equal to integral of dx divided by square root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square plus 2 minus 3 by 2 the whole square is going to be 9 by 4. So you will get minus 1 by 4. Right. So integral of dx divided by root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Can I directly write minus 1 by 2 the whole square? So 1 by root of x square minus a square is log of x minus 3 by 2. So x minus 3 by 2 plus root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4 plus c. Or the other way of writing this is you can write it as log of mod of x minus 3 by 2 is there. No, you can write it as 2x minus 3 divided by 2, right? plus this root of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4 is nothing but the question itself. That is this thing. Plus root of x square minus 3x plus 2 plus c. And this will be log of mod 2x minus 3 plus 2 times root of x square minus 3x plus 2 plus c. Integral of 1 by root of 8 plus 3x minus x square. Okay. So integral of dx divided by square root of, if I take the minus sign outside, negative of x square minus 3x minus 8, right? This will be integral of dx divided by square root of minus of x square minus 3x minus 8 means it is x minus 3 by 2 the whole square, x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 8 minus 9 by 4. So this is going to be integral of dx divided by square root of, it is 41 by 4 with a minus sign. So answer will be 41 by 4 minus of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Am I right? So what is 1 by root of a square minus x square? It is sine inverse of x by a. So x is going to be x minus 3 by 2. And what is a? It is root 41 by 2. Right? Plus c. So when you take LCM, you're going to have sine inverse of 2x minus 3, sine inverse of 2x minus 3 divided by square root of 41 plus c. So we need to find the integral of 1 by root of x minus a into x minus b dx. So here if you observe, x minus a into x minus b is going to be how much? X square minus of a plus b into x plus ab, right? So if I look at the denominator, all that I need to do is I need to convert this into the form of either x square plus a square or x square minus a square or a square minus x square using the completing the square method. So I have x square minus of a plus b into x plus ab. Can I write this as x minus, so I'll start with x minus, it will be a plus b by 2 the whole square, right? Plus this ab minus a plus b by 2 the whole square. So it is a plus b by 2 the whole square. Right. So this will be x minus of a plus b by 2 the whole square. Now observe, it is going to be plus 4ab minus of a plus b the whole square the whole divided by 4. Because it is a plus b the whole square divided by 4. If you take LCM, this will be 4ab. 4ab minus of a plus b the whole square the whole divided by 4. Now the question is a plus b the whole square. So if you observe here, 4ab minus of a plus b the whole square can actually be written as a plus b the whole square minus 4ab by taking the minus sign outside. If I take the minus sign outside, I can write it as minus of a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. So it be minus of a plus b the whole square minus 4ab is actually a minus b the whole square. So it is going to be a minus b the whole square. So meaning of this is 4ab minus of a plus b the whole square can actually be written as negative of a minus b the whole square. So it will be x minus of a plus b by 2 the whole square minus a minus b the whole square the whole divided by 4. Is that point clear? So all that you need to find is integral of 1 divided by square root of x minus of a plus b by 2 the whole square minus a minus b by 2 the whole square. Am I right? So 1 by root of x square minus a square is log of, this is going to be log of mod x. X is going to be, so x is going to be this thing. So x minus of a plus b by 2 plus root of x square minus a square. But remember, root of x square minus a square is nothing but the question itself. So that can be written as root of x minus a into x minus b and close the modulus plus c. So the 16th problem is integral of 4x plus 1 divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3 times dx. So it is of the form px plus q divided by square root of ax square plus bx plus c times dx, right? So what you can do is you can write px plus q is equal to, that is 4x plus 1 is equal to a into d by dx of, right, d by dx of 2x square plus x minus 3 plus capital B. Equal to how much? A into, what is the derivative of 2x square plus x plus x minus 3? A into, it is 4x plus 1 plus b, or this will also be equal to 4ax plus a plus b. Can I write it like this? So compare 4x plus 1 and 4ax plus a plus b. You will get 4a is equal to 4, or it implies a is equal to 1. And similarly, you will get a plus b is equal to 1. So when a is equal to 1, when you put a is equal to 1 here, it clearly indicates b is going to be equal to 0. So b is going to be equal to 0. So by looking at the question itself, we will be able to understand that if you substitute 2x square plus x minus 3 as t, then 4x plus 1 dx will actually be dt. That is why you are getting b is equal to 0 in this case. But I followed the standardized procedure. Here. So integral of, what can I do? I can write it as a is 1. So 1 into 4x plus 1. So basically it is 4x plus 1. So it is the question itself. 4x plus 1, the whole divided by square root of 2x square plus x minus 3 dx. So put 2x square plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies you are going to get 4x plus 1 times dx is equal to, sorry, you put this is equal to t, you will get 4x plus 1 into dx is equal to dt. So what will happen? It will be integral of dt divided by square root of t. So integral of 1 by root t is going to be 2 root t. So it will be 2 times root t plus c. It is 2 times root of t is how much? 2x square plus x minus 3 plus c. So the next question is going to be integral of x plus 2 divided by square root of x square minus 1. It is of the same form, px plus q divided by root of ax square plus bx plus c. So again, I will write px plus q, that is x plus 2 is equal to a into d by dx of x square minus 1 plus b. So what will I get here? I will get 2ax plus b is what is x plus 2. So comparing both the sides, what do you get? You will get 2a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So this clearly indicates a is equal to half. A is equal to half and b is equal to 2. Now tell me, what are we supposed to do? Integral of, in the place of x plus 2, I can write it as 2 into a into x. So how will I write it as? So half into plus b is how much? 2 the whole divided by square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now you need to split the denominator to each term in the numerator. So what will you get? You will get half into integral of 2x divided by square root of x square minus 1 plus 2 into integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx, and here also you have dx. Right. It will be half into, now observe, if you put x square minus 1 as t, 2x dx will become dt. So this is actually of the form dt divided by root t. So dt divided by root t is going to be 2 times root t. So it will be half of 2 times root t, but what is t? X square minus 1. Right? Plus 2 into, what is the integral of 1 by root of x square minus a square? Log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Hence the answer is going to be root of x square minus 1 plus 2 log of mod of x plus root of x square minus 1 plus c. So the 18th question is integral of 5x minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2x plus 3x square. Actually, 1 plus 2x plus 3x square, you can write it in reverse. 3x square plus 2x plus 1. So again, px plus q, that is 5x minus 2 is equal to a into d by dx of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus, what should I write? D. Right. Now, this 5x minus 2 is equal to a into derivative of 3x square plus 2x plus 2 is going to be 6x plus 2, and it is going to be plus b. 6x plus 2 plus b. Right. So on combining, we will get 6ax plus 2a plus b is equal to this value. So comparing both the sides, we will get 6a is equal to 5 and 2a plus b is equal to minus 2. Right? So from here, it is clear that a is equal to 5 by 6 and 2 into a is 5 by 6. So in the place of a, I'm putting this 5 by 6 plus b is equal to minus 2. So 2 will cancel this 5 by 6 and it will give you 5 by 3. So what is the value of b? This implies b is equal to minus 2 minus 5 by 3, or it is minus 11 by 3. So it is minus 11 by 3. Am I clear with this? Right. Now what I will do is integral of, in the place of 5x minus 2, how can you write it as? You can write it as this thing. A into 6x plus 2. What is A? A is 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 plus what is the value of B? Minus 11 by 3, the whole divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 times dx. Am I clear with this? So this will be equal to 5 by 6 into integral of 6x plus 2, the whole divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 dx minus 11 by 3 into integral of dx divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Here, if you observe, right, it is very clear. If I put the denominator as t, the numerator is going to be dt. So this is of the form dt divided by t. It is of the form dt divided by t. So it will be 5 by 6 into, what is the integral of dt by t? It is going to be log t. But what is t? It is 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 into, Here we need to solve this using the completing the square method. So for completing the square method, what is the first thing I need to do? Make the coefficient of x square as should be 1. So I need to take the 3 outside. So when I take the 3 outside, I'll have 1 by 3 into integral of dx divided by x square plus 2 by 3 times x plus 1 by 3. Okay, here I got the answer. I'm only going to solve this part. Right, I'm only going to solve this part. So observe for this part, right? For this part, what is it going to be? It is going to be 11 by 9 times integral of dx divided by x square plus 2 by 3x means it is going to be x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 1 by 3. See, why did I write 1 by 3? X plus half of this value. It is 1 by 3. Put the whole square plus 1 by 3 minus the square of this value, which is going to be 1 by 9. Am I right? It is going to be 1 by 9. So you tell me it is going to be 11 by 9 into integral of dx divided by x plus 1 by 3 the whole square. So it is going to be 3 by 9 minus 1 by 9, which will be 2 by 9. Right? Listen. So here the answer will be 5 by 6 times log of mod 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 6. Sorry, 11 by 9 minus 11 by 9 into integral of dx divided by x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 2 by 9. Integral of dx divided by x plus 1 by 3 the whole square plus 2 by 9. Instead of 2 by 9, I can write it as root 2 by 3 the whole square. Right? So the answer will be 5 by 6 of log of mod of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 9 into 1 by x square plus a square is actually 1 by a. 1 divided by a is going to be root 2 by 3 into tan inverse of x by a. So x is x plus 1 by 3, a is root 2 by 3 plus c. So this 3 will cancel this 9 3 times. So you will get the answer as 5 by 6 log of mod 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 11 by 3 root 2 into tan inverse of, if you take LCM, it will be 3x plus 1 divided by root 2 because 3 and 3 will get cancelled and you will have a plus c. So this should be the required answer. So the question is integral of 6x plus 7 divided by root x minus 5 into x minus 4 dx. Right. Again, we will write 6x plus 7 is equal to a into d by dx of the product of this. So when you do the product of this, you will get x square minus 9x plus 20. So x square minus 9x plus 20 plus b. So this will be of the form 6x plus 7 is equal to a into 2x minus 9 plus b. So a into 2x minus 9 plus b, which implies 2ax is equal to 6x and minus 9a plus b is equal to 7. Right. So x is gone. This clearly indicates that a is going to be equal to 3. When a is 3 taken substituted here, you will get minus 27 plus b is equal to 7. So this implies b is equal to 34. Right. So integral of 6x plus 7 can be written as this thing. A is how much? 3. So 3 into 2x minus 9 plus b is going to be 34, the whole divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 times dx. So this will be equal to 3 into integral of 2x minus 9 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into integral of 1 divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 times dx. Okay. So 3 into, if you observe, if I put x square minus 9x plus 20 as t, then this is going to look in the form of dt divided by root t. So answer should be 3 into 2 times root t, but what is the value of t? 2 times root of, what is the value of t? It is x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into integral of dx divided by square root of x square minus 9x plus 20 can be written as x minus 9 by 2 the whole square plus 20 minus 9 by 2 the whole square is going to be 81 by 4. It will be 81 divided by 4. So this will be how much? 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into this x minus 9 by 2 the whole square plus 20 minus 81 by 4 is actually minus 1 by 4. See, 20 minus 81 by 4 is actually 1 by 4 with a minus sign. So 34 into integral of dx divided by square root of x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 4. Right? So what will you get? You will get 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into integral of dx divided by x minus 9 by 2 the whole square minus 1 by 2 the whole square. It is 1 by 2 the whole square, right? So 6 into root of x square minus 9x plus 20 plus 34 into, I think there is a square root, right? Yeah, there is a square root here. So 1 by square root of x square minus a square is going to be log of x minus root of the question itself, that is x square minus 9x plus 20 plus c. So this will be the answer. Integral of x plus 2 divided by root of 4x minus x square. So you will write x plus 2 is equal to a into d by dx of 4x minus x square plus b. Right? So this should be equal to a into derivative of 4x minus x square is 4 minus 2x and you have a plus b here. Right? So 4a plus b is 2. Similarly, minus 2a is equal to 2, which implies a is equal to minus 1. So we have minus 2a is equal to 1. Minus 2a is equal to 1. The coefficient of x is 1, which implies a is equal to minus half. So when a is minus half, when you take and substitute it here, b will come out as 4. So b is going to come out as 4. So integral of x plus 2, I can write it as this thing. So A is minus half. So minus half into 4 minus 2x plus B is how much? Plus 4, the whole divided by square root of 4x minus x square times dx. Right. So this will be equal to minus half into integral of 4 minus 2x times dx, the whole divided by square root of 4x minus x square plus 4 into integral of dx divided by root of 4x minus x square is there. No, so what you can do is square root of, you can take the minus sign out. So minus of x square minus 4x. Okay. So it is going to be minus half into, this is going to be, so if I take 4x minus x square as t, then the numerator is going to be dt. So dt divided by root t format. So it is minus half into 2 times root t. But what is the value of t? It is 4x minus x square. Am I correct? Plus 4 into integral of, this one we can solve it using the completing the square method, right? So you will get dx divided by square root of negative of x minus 2 the whole square. How much is it? X minus 2 the whole square minus 4. Right. So this part alone I am taking and writing. This will be 4 into integral of dx divided by square root of minus is going to be plus. So 4 minus of x minus 2 the whole square. But what is 4? 4 is 2 square. 4 is 2 square. So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. You will get the answer as minus of root of 4x minus x square plus this will be 4 into sine inverse of x minus 2 divided by 2 and a plus c. So this is going to be the required answer.